There's Instagram right there though. I might have to.
That's clean. Which one of these is y'all's?
That's mine. That's yours. I don't know all of them. I'm just letting them borrow. Sit out here.
Ah, same. That's clean. All 6 on them. That's a ZX6 right there. That's clean. I still don't know what kind of bike this is. Y'all know what kind of bike this is? I ain't never seen it before. It's Yamaha, but I don't know what kind it is. Okay. I've never seen this bike either. You guys ever heard of this bike? Let me know down in the comment section. I have never seen this before. And you got the different headlight on the front. Kawasaki. And then you got the MT-03. That's the bike that she might get. See, that's what you need to get right there. That's the MT-03. Basically the same as mine. So yeah, MT-03, she needs this one. Man, they've done a lot of work to this one. They've done a lot of work to this one. Well, at least it's just the fairings. The fairings, the seats are pretty expensive too. That is clean. And it matches the helmet. Bro, that's crazy. And it's tinted. I like that visor too. You can't tell me that ain't clean. Yeah, that's clean. And we got another R6 here. It's got some aftermarket fairings, levers, grips, the seat. Like, that's great. That's crazy. Clean. Would you ever get one of these? No? I think I would. I'd get one just for fun. But see, that's the lever. See that? Why is it so far up? That's a big foot that's got to fit on that. Because the lever's way up there, y'all. Alright, so this is BMW S1000. It's here. This thing is clean, right?
So I fucking pulled up. No, when you move the cone. Oh,
It's clean. That's an all-one. Obviously, you know you gotta have your boy bike in the back, right? You gotta have your boy bike in the back. Crisp. 636.
That's why I was lane splitting on the way.
That's clean.